saw a grizzly bear, guys. Probably about 100 feet in front of me. Just ran right through. It was like a teenager-sized bear. I don't know if that was a cub or not, man. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. This wahoo's great, guys. It'd just be so easy to go whizzing past. And I did it, I think once every day. Once every day since I've been out here, I go zipping on by my turn. And it would be so easy to get into a downhill and be miles away before you realize it. It's like 20 to 9. And 94 miles in. Trying to get to this lake, Holland Lake campground. Shouldn't really be all that far. Shouldn't really be all that far up here. Maybe like 10 miles. But just trying to get there. And daylight is going quick. Oh man, I'm worn out. Long day. It was a weird, quiet day, man. I didn't really see many cyclists. I only talked to one guy. But other than that, it's just been like lonely out here. saw a grizzly bear, guys. Probably about 100 feet in front of me. Just ran right through. It was like a teenager-sized bear. I don't know if that was a cub or not, man. Yeah, I just kept going. I don't know. I'm not stopping to find out. But a lot of wildlife starting to pop out of the woods this time of night. It is 9 o'clock. Still pretty light out. I'm 97 miles so far. Trying to get to this damn lake. Should be right up here. There we go. Morning, everybody. Day 4. Made it to Holland Lake last night. 102 miles yesterday. I didn't even set up my tent last night, guys. I just slept on a picnic table. I put my bike inside the bathroom. It's pretty cool to get a century out here. This is just an amazing morning. I think that's a waterfall back in there. Day 4, everybody. Feeling a little rough after that 102. I ended up seeing a grizzly bear last night. That was sweet, but I was literally like a little bit delirious, which is interesting. Beautiful day here in Montana. Loving every minute of it. Stopping at Sealy Lake, resupply. Oh man, ow. I don't know, I gotta do something about this saddle, I think. It's just incredible, man. Unbelievable. 20 miles to go to Sealy Lake, guys. I'm gonna have to resupply there. A little shy on food, and I'm gonna get a beer. I am like completely drained of all energy today. That 102 miler yesterday just smoked me. I'm just sitting on the bike going downhill today and like really slow poking uphill. Today I am just goofing. New boot goofing. Oh, chipmunk. I lost my brand new shades within like 35 seconds of owning them. Damn it. That's crazy. Oh my God. I am just shot today, man. I don't know if I'm going past Sealy Lake. I don't know. We'll see. Wow. Oh. Oh my God. That's really something, isn't it? Man, these Rocky Mountains. This might be the hardest climb I've had so far. Oh wow. And I think as far as the elevation goes, we're really starting to get up there. I think we're into like 7,000 feet today or better. I don't know. 6,000 feet of climbing yesterday though, man. My God. Just really struggling today. Crazy, man. Holy hell. Whew, man, weird day. I left Sealy Lake, and I ran into 3 grizzly bears, 2 cubs and a mother bear coming out. It wasn't a big deal though, you know. I just came around the corner, there was a cub, and then another cub came out of the woods. Mother bear came out, saw me, and took off running. So I don't know, I just passed right on by, and not a big deal. So that's 4 grizzly bears for Montana, which is super cool. There's the route. There's the route following this lake here. I'm gonna grab some water, kind of splash off a bit too. Right outside of Ovando. I will be camping there tonight. I think there's like a biker friendly restaurant there or something. We'll see. What a great night.